Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your QuickBooks card reader. First, carefully unbox your new card reader and confirm all components are present, including the device itself, a charging cable, and any included documentation. Next, fully charge your card reader. This usually takes about 2 to 3 hours for a complete charge. Finally, download the QuickBooks Go payment application from your device's App Store, as this app is essential for processing payments. Now, let's connect your card reader. Open the QuickBooks Go payment app on your smartphone or tablet and log in using your QuickBooks credentials. Power on your card reader by pressing and holding the small power button, usually located on the side or top, until the indicator light illuminates. Within the Go payment app, navigate to the Settings or Card Reader section and select your device from the list of available Bluetooth devices to pair them. With your reader connected, it's time to test a transaction. In the Go payment app, create a small test transaction, perhaps for $1, to ensure everything is working correctly. You can use any valid credit or debit card for this test. Swipe the card through the magnetic stripe reader, insert it into the chip reader, or tap it for contactless payments. Confirm that the transaction processes successfully and appears in your app's transaction history. If you encounter any issues, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, always ensure that Bluetooth is active and enabled on your mobile device. Sometimes, simply restarting both your card reader and your smartphone or tablet can resolve connectivity problems. Also, regularly check for updates to the QuickBooks Go payment app in your device's App Store, as updates often include important bug fixes and performance improvements for seamless operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.